What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back, my new subscribers. Welcome back, my Human Made family. Welcome back to a new video. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Also, drop a comment down below if you're feeling the content, or you just feel like you want to drop a comment. Feel free to do it. Also, follow me at mattxi.exe on Instagram. Hit me up in the DMs, whatever you want to do. Chop it up, talk about Human Made or any other brand that's dope. We can talk about it. So this video is gonna be about my top 5. It's gonna be a part 2 to my top 5 must-have Human Made items. These are some of the items that I've been eyeing and I really like and I'm digging a lot. These items that's gonna be like grails and items that I will be keeping that I want to get if possible. If the stars align and the moon hit a total eclipse, then I will have these items all at once, or, you know, throughout the time I'll be able to pick them up. Yeah, without further ado, let's get to the top 5 items that I would like to have in my Human Made collection. Let's begin. So the first item that I would like to have would be the military backpack. I think this is a dope backpack. It's kind of square and boxy from what I'm looking at on my phone, as you all see on the screen right now. I've been seeing this backpack all over the place, especially on Grailed. I seen it for like a really decent price. I think like $295. And I'm trying to get the price down to like $260 if dude bites on that price of $260. Because I seen it somewhere else for a little bit more, like $300. But I'm trying to pay like $260 for it. And I just think it's a dope backpack, mainly for my laptop, put my laptop in it, and just places I'm going, like if I'm just going to somebody's house or if I'm going to like somewhere to work, like on my video, like just pull my laptop out of the backpack, have it. Also, it's good for travel, I see as well. Another good traveling backpack to have. And I just like the color blocking that they have, of course, with the military green, and the yellow helps pop even more. It says Human Made on the top. Also, it says Human Made like on the front end, I guess front back end of it with the heart, and dry alls on the side of it. So I like the minimalist design to it. And it's not too brand heavy. I mean, it got some branding on it, but you know, some brands they have like they brand all over the damn product. But this, nah, it's just right, just perfect. So this would be one of the items that I would like to get. Y'all may be seeing this very soon. Again, I seen it on Grailed for like $295, but I'm gonna ask $260. I think that's a good price, but I can see some back and forth with me and that seller that's selling this. So that would be my number 1 item. I guess you say my number 5 item, no particular order. So yeah, just say number 5. So this would be number 5 on my must-have on my Human Made. So my number 2 would be the polar bear trophy paper mache. Reason why I want this is because I think it's like a dope decor piece to put up in the house. Of course, you hang it on the wall, so polar bear head that says Human Made up under the neck. And I think it's like a really dope. I seen somebody on Instagram with this, and just seeing it hung on their wall, it just looked crazy as hell and dope and different. And from what I'm looking at, it looks like it may actually be painted on, like with the Human Made like text and the spotting of the fur. I guess you could say that gray. Look like it actually is hand painted on, which is pretty dope. So you can appreciate the craft on that. But yeah, this is my number 2. This will be my number 4 item that I would like to get. And I've seen it all over. I think I've seen it on Grailed, if I'm not mistaken. Or probably been eBay that I've seen it on. But yeah, I think it's like a really dope decor piece to have in my house. It may be in my room, or it may be downstairs somewhere else. Because we decided not to move. Because we were supposed to move, I think, either next month or December we was gonna move, but that didn't happen, so we're stuck here. So we're like, fuck, we'll just do another year here. Y'all gonna see this behind me change over time, so be on the lookout for that. I will be doing a video hopefully on that if it turned out how I wanted it to turn out. So my room gonna change up a little bit. So yeah, my number 4 item. So let's get to number 3. So my number 3, we keeping with the accessories, we keeping with the travel type aesthetic, which would be the Human Made military duffel bag. Yes, I seen this as well. I was scrolling through Human Made Instagram page and I seen this duffel bag. I'm like, yo, this is clean. This is a clean duffel bag. Of course, you got that military green, that olive green going on with the yellow stripe, which helped accent the piece a little bit more. That says Human Made in it. And I just thought it was dope. On the backside of the duffel bag, it has Storm Cowboy like outline which is pretty dope. Yeah, this can be a dope carry-on piece that I can see myself, you know, traveling with. Of course, I say that about other things that I bought, like bags and stuff like that. Yeah, most of the stuff you can actually travel with. I'm not gonna have my stuff just sitting around just like as a decorative piece. I will actually use it. Like, I'm not afraid to use my stuff. If it get messed up, it get messed up. That's what's the point of me collecting this stuff, like for me to use and actually use the functions of it. So I'm gonna use my stuff. If it gets scratched up, it gets scratched up. I can get another one. It's no big deal. So this would be a duffel bag that I would have to get. Like, if I'm just going traveling somewhere, they'll just be sick as fuck to have. And it look cool as shit. Like, you can't go wrong with it. You just can't go wrong with this damn duffel bag. It's just simple and clean. Yeah, so let's get to the next one. So for the giveaway winners, your names will be right here. And congratulations to the winners to the 42 t-shirts. I'll be sending that out. I haven't even sent out the damn carabiners yet. Just bear with me, y'all. I've just been so busy. I will send out the carabiners along with these t-shirts at the same time. And let's get back to the video. So my number hold on. What was that? What number we at? Hold on. So the next item would be the Human Made baseball t-shirt. I missed out on this. This was a time I was not able to afford this damn jersey, but I've seen it on, I think, how you say it, O'Larry? It's like a other website where you can buy like Human Made items from. But yeah, I seen this damn baseball tee and it sold out so quick, and I just thought it was like really dope and simple, and it gives you that old Americana 1930s, 1940s, or 50s feel to it, and I just thought it was just so dope, and it'd be sick as hell to have. I can see myself wearing this like doing like the like spring or summertime to wear this. Would I wear it with anything else, like a hoodie? Probably not. I probably just wear it as it is. I know most people like wear hoodies then with like a jersey on top. So I could just see myself just wearing it as is. Kind of jeans, probably like some navy blue jeans and some simple like Adidas like sneakers to go with it. And like a nice little baseball cap. Like an actual navy blue baseball cap to go. So yeah, I can see myself copping this very soon. Yeah, it sold out so quick. I wish I had the money at the time to buy it, but I was at a trash ass job where I was like literally penny pinching on buying this stuff. But then I started to buy more and more stuff, flipping it, able to buy more expensive stuff with that flip money. Now I work an actual good job where I can just buy shit if I want it. So it's not even an issue no more. So I can just buy this come my next paycheck. I can just buy it if I want to. But this will be bought very soon in the future, probably before the end of the year. Who knows? I can't hold a promise on that. But yeah, this baseball like jersey is just so fucking sick, man. I just like what Nego does with this brand, gives it Americana, that military feel to it. I don't see nobody doing that. Again, Nego just go outside his out the box and do his own thing. I just feel like that's what sets him apart from other people, because as you know before, we seen Bait, it's just very loud, bold, and out there. This with Human Made a little bit more subtle, mature, and grown, I guess, but stylistic at the same time. So that's why I like Human Made a lot over Bait. Baseball jersey is a must-have for me. I will be copping it very soon, so hopefully by the end of the year I have it. So the last item that I must get, I know this is gonna be like one of those items that I get like in the distant future, and I think this is gonna be like a hard item to find. And the resale price on this, I already seeing it being well over $1,000 on a resale. So the items that I would like to get for the final item would be the Human Made leather jacket. Oh my god, this is just so hard. This is so fucking hard of a leather jacket. How would I style it? I have no idea. I just like how they have like the prints of the polar bear on it, and you have like the polar bear like on the front pocket. Was he eating a fish? Yeah, he eating a fish, and it says Human Made dry alls around it, and it says Human Made on a sleeve, on the right sleeve, and it says dry alls on the left sleeve. And I just think that's really dope. They have more branding on the back of it, with more of the polar bear. He has a tiger on there with the duck as well. I think it's just a sick jacket. I would like to see this more. If there was like an actual like a biker's type jacket, like a biker leather jacket. Like if this was a biker jacket, it would be insanely expensive. I already know it. Yeah, this is like one of those jackets I can see myself wearing to like a particular function. you just can't just wear this shit just anywhere. I can just see myself wearing it, like probably like an art gallery, or just a dope event where my style has to come into play and show people that I have like some kind of style to what I'm wearing and things like that. So I think it'd be like a dope ass piece to wear to accent my outfit if I'm going out somewhere that's important. So that will be it. That is all for the my top 5. I think that was top 5. I hope that was top 5. So yeah, that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you're feeling the content. Be notified when I do drop a video. I drop videos every Sunday. Yeah, I'm planning on increasing the amount of content that I drop, even though I work a crazy work schedule, but that's neither here nor there. So again, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell to be notified every Sunday. Follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe. And I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.